my goodness, you guys, I have so much stuff on my desk from swapped making. Hold on. Don't want to lose any of these little cuties. So, really quick, I do have some items in from HSN. A couple things I ordered early, like, you know, since they were live on there for craft day. And I know some of you guys are waiting for craft day. I don't really know for what, to be honest. HSN has that free shipping for $75 and over, and I don't know if they're going to have a $5 cart because they have that other offer. They've been just doing that, which as a site I think is good, because remember before you buy something at HSN, it's like just endless shipping, you know, which is ridiculous. Like no company runs that way, literally, but them, you know. So anyway, so I will link whatever I can if it's available in the description box. Those would be affiliate links from inside. And my garbage man is out there, 6 o'clock in the morning, top of the morning to you, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thanks for using them if you can. With having that being said, I do keep forgetting, and whenever I really haven't made a video where I'm just talking with you guys or doing like a haul since I started doing the Diamond Press reviews. I know a few of the Diamond Press reviews videos, for some reason, the comments are turned off. I assure you, I did not do that. I would never do that, even when people who are recently leaving me mean comments. I literally don't care. Leave the comments you want. I will not change the way I do the things I do on my channel. And, you know, say whatever you want. That's okay. I don't even block people. I know my husband's like, why don't you just block them? I'm like, why would I block them? I don't care. People can see the rude things they say and know what kind of person that is. It's not on me. No reflection on me. So I don't care. Also, thanks for the click. Anyway, so what happens is YouTube sometimes will think something's for a kid, and I have a feeling that Diamond Press Piñata video kind of triggered that. But then it's also on another one of my videos that they don't allow comments, and I did not do that. So I'm sorry, and I can't really say like to YouTube, hey, you can't appeal it when they do it automatically, but they'll still be like, no, that's for a kid because it has a piñata or whatever. So it's not even worth it to me to appeal it. I'm sorry, but if you want to leave a comment about that video, you can leave it in another video and I'll still see it. So sorry about that, guys. It's just, yeah, I was surprised. What was the other one? Oh, the other one is the stencil, this one. And I'm like, because they have bots basically like that go scrub everything, like they look at the videos, you know, they listen to the sounds to see if you're copyright infringing, all kinds of things like that. And so I thought maybe it's too colorful. I don't know, because they do say something that's colorful will also trigger something like that. And then this one has like balloons, and I'm wondering if that's what it was, so, which might make it so people can't leave comments on this one either. I don't know. It's so silly. Anyway. If that's the case, I'm sorry. Just leave the comment somewhere else, okay, guys? But let me open this box up. I have stuff from, not Amazon. Oh my gosh, I keep wanting to say Amazon. Actually, I do have some things from Amazon, but I don't think it's anything, yeah, nothing too special. HSN and then Daiso Japan. I stopped in there yesterday because I needed some plastic bags, like right now, ASAP, so I'll show you those. It's not the biggest deal, and of course if you don't have a Daiso, then you just don't have a Daiso. But they did open a new one in Arizona. Oh my gosh, I can't remember the town's name. Chandler, maybe? So if you're in Arizona, maybe you'll have one there. I don't know. I'll be right back. Oh, I do also want to say that this is all it is, guys. Well, that's here. This is all that arrived quickly. I'll link in the description box the things that I picked up from HSN. And one of these things is an auto ship, so it's not available yet, but some of the other auto ships, oh, I do want to mention some of the auto ships that you guys might have picked up recently in the last like week or so. Remember, I was just showing you some of the Diamond Press auto ships have dropped in price, so if that's the case and you picked something up last week, make sure to check. I usually just go to my orders and I'll click the item because it'll take you to the page for that item, and then you can see the price difference, and then you can either call them or just give them a chat right there, and just keep skipping around from, you know, this order dropped in price, as did this one and this one and this one. You can give them all the order numbers and they'll check each one out and they'll credit you back whatever it is. So just know that. And also there was something else. Well, anyway, I only have a few Diamond Press videos left to release to you guys. I think one of them is for the background border die set. The Celebrations, I think they're calling it, I can't recall right now, Autoship, which is super cute. Do you guys see, if you get the email blast from Diamond Press, or maybe if you watched Beth's live, I think she might have shown me, because she usually does, the boards for the ones that are coming afterwards, and I think it's like another year or a year and a half long program, and they're all so different, so it's really cute, because the first one's like a little pizza box kind of thing. Then after that, it's just like slimline things, or like another box, or like a tag set, or like a thing that makes a gift bag. So they're all different occasions. Really cute. I think it's really fun. It's just a way to jump in and just have some fun things delivered, you know. And again, you can always skip whatever auto ships you don't want ahead of time. Like as soon as you order it, usually within a day or two, or even it used to be that they would show up really quick, the auto ship option in your auto ship manager, and you could just skip that day. But it takes like a day or two now. Go in there. You can skip them ahead of time. You can cancel the whole thing if you want. So there's no commitment, you know. Having said that, this is the beautiful wing stamps, dies, and stencils. This is the Ultimate Card Making Collection auto ship, which I think still has one more auto ship. I know there's a tag one that's really cute. I think that's the last one. But I love this auto ship. It was such a good program. I hope they do something like this again. It comes with 4 folders, so you can continue putting your stuff away with 4 labels. I usually just use 1 or 2 of these, and then I use the others for other things because it's supposed to hold everything separately kind of thing, but they do give you 4. And I just put everything together for the most part. I usually keep the stencils separate, but, you know, arrange them however you like. They all fit together, or, you know, one thing in each pocket, however you want to do that. But the beautiful wings is a butterfly, just basic butterfly shape. I think it'll be good for shakers, you know. Little frames. It has that insert die. Again, you can mix and match it with all the other ones you have from other sets. And then your stencils. And look how pretty. That one's called Filigree. We have a lattice. We have little polka dots. Oh my gosh. And then Lux, it's called. That last one's like a shell pattern. Are they having 2 of these? That is so cool, because I was really wanting to try these for rosettes. I think they're going to be really fun. Well, no, I think, that's an interesting picture. Okay. Because this one's showing 2 things, and it's not saying, oh, use it with, you know, a border die from last time around or whatever. But I think they just have the wrong image, that's all. So there's that. Hold on, I didn't show you guys this. And then the stamps, that's right. Big stamp set, just a little, you know, note or whatever to brighten your day. Maybe mix and match it, just a little hello. So I'll go through this and do a whole video for you guys, of course. And then there's some inspo on the back. Again, they just had the wrong looking thing, unless they're just showing you to pair it up again with the ones prior. So these inlays, they all mix and match. So thinking of you, and just a little hello with that cool border. Again, mix and match with all the different borders. We have what looks roughly like almost 4-inch square. You know, I'll review all those things later. Look at the little butterfly. Oh, that is so cute. And then this one, she even has her little antenna with different sizes for the different butterflies. Again, the large stencils, the whole stamp set. So hopefully this will hit the site soon, and you guys can grab that if you didn't get it on the auto ship initially. I'll put this all back so I can review it soon. Just because gift card holder dies. Oh, these are Anna Griffin. So the last time the Christmas ones sold out from under me, I thought I had put them to buy them, and I don't know what happened. So these are like more of the everyday with the birthday cake. I just think they're cute dies, even if I don't, you know, make them a gift card holder. So you have the cake, and then you have the background die. You have the butterfly, and then the background die, and then there's also a gift, I think. Yeah, so a little gift, and then the background. So of course that can be any colors, any day, all the time, Christmassy, whatever. And then this little guy makes a pocket that you stick on the back, and that's how easy they are. So really cute. And then you put your gift card or money or whatever fits in there that you want to put in there, you pop it in. So those are available. And then that would have been cute as an auto ship. I wonder how well a gift card auto ship would do. I think gift card holder, I would have loved it. Okay. So this one is Anna Griffin, Annalise Papercrafting Kit. I have a feeling this probably came out, ooh, sorry guys. Maybe with Creator or whatever, crop at home kind of event. I don't know. Either way, I picked it up now. And it is just gorgeousness. Oh my goodness. Of course, I'll try this out later, but maybe, oh yeah, so maybe I can show you from the smaller papers. Oh, someone directed me to take everything out of the package. That's how I read the comment. The packaging is so noisy, you should take everything out of the package before you show it. That's what it said. So I have a feeling that's the kind of tone I was getting. Anyway, look at this. Oh, how pretty. And look at the back side. So again, the larger papers are the same thing, but just larger. So Annalise is beautiful. That one's a little interesting, but there we go. And then this one, really cute. I like that kind of like wood, it's not wood, but like bamboo kind of look. Lattice there, very different. Really fresh for spring, really, I like this side. Some of these patterns are real funky. I know she draws inspiration from like some old school things that you can tell. I like the classic look, but then this kind of like weird little funky stuff going on there. Really pretty. And then of course a whole pack of like flourishes. I mean, I just love it. I'm assuming those are carnations. This is what they look like, or something like that, like a camellia. I don't know how to explain it, right? Not just your typical rose, but maybe it is. And then here you have these gorgeous toppers. Happiness is being together, blessed beyond measure, follow your dreams, happy birthday. So there's all kinds of different sentiments in that. And I guess that's it from this kind of thing. Let me go grab my little Daiso bag. It's not a lot of stuff. I mean, I try to stick to what I went to buy because otherwise Daiso is dangerous. Right, I'll be right back. The reason I even open things with you guys is because I don't want to open everything and just be like, and I got this, and I got this, and I got this, like you do kind of with like maybe a Michael's haul, because I've already seen everything, right? But when you open something, I want you guys to get the emotional experience. I'm just kidding, but just to say like what I think of it initially, like right off the bat, instead of having sat there and thought about it. Also, it saves time because I don't have to open it and then talk about it later. I'm just doing it all at once, and I don't know if that saves time, but it just works out for me. So that's why I do it the way I do it, and that's why it's just not ever going to change. And that's how it is. Okay, so at Daiso, I did pick up some stuff for Miranda. These are things that she needs. Look at this, Valentine's Day panda chocolates, and it even has the to and from. I think those are so cute. So I have a couple packs of those for her classmates. I just want to show you those. Yeah, so I just picked up a bunch of bags. I might use these in the swap right now. I'm not sure. These are a little bigger than I thought I might need, but they had them in a cute blue color, so I grabbed them because I do have like blues and purples and pinks in my swap. We will see. Look at these little things. They're like little, it says gift bags, and they are so tiny and so cute. Oh my goodness. So anyway, grab those. These guys are like a gray color in the background, so pretty cool. And it says for you. And then look at this one. It does say keep smiling, but has little dots. Again, these are just like the bags I use for the different swaps. I wanted something like this size. So these are a little bit smaller, almost 6 inches by almost 4. I grabbed a couple of the polka dot ones. I did pick these guys up. I don't know why. They're ties. Not really for these. These have a seal, just like the ones I pick up on Amazon. But I just grabbed the ties because I thought they were cute. And then this one's like longer and thinner, so you never know. Thought that was cute. And then these guys are about 7 1/4 by almost 5, so just a different sizing. I think a lot of those are like A4 sizing or something. Just depends. Oh, and then since I was at the bags, I was like, whenever I give somebody something and it's just like a quick thing, like to a neighbor or to whoever, if I put them in a bag like this, people are like, oh, they love it. So like, why not? So I grabbed these little Dumbo bags and Bambi bags. And let's see. Oh, as soon as I walked in, they had a bunch of Valentine things. So I'm like, I don't really need too many Valentine things. But look at these little cups with the domes. How cute are those for like little treats? I mean, these would be really cute for Miranda's Valentine's too. But I just grabbed them for different purposes. But I love that it has the domes and then the little cups. And they have them different colorways. Oh yeah. Of course, I passed by the craft area. I did not pick up much, but I did get these little key holders. They're really cute. These are very much a teal color, even though they look very green on camera. And these are like a hot pink. And they're metal, so really nice. And then these little bags too, you guys. How cute are these? I mean, they're just like, look at the size of my hand. And they're like a whole paper bag, you know? They're just too cute. So I grabbed those. Again, Daiso's a $1.50 store, but now it's a $1.75 store. Grabbed a couple of those packs because I can definitely use those. I grabbed some of this just in case I wanted to make like rosettes or bows and just throw some fibers in with them or whatever. And these are really cute colors, really sweet colors. And again, these are basically crochet threads. Oh, these would be really nice actually for our stitch cards, right? Because it's like just really kind of like a mercerized look. They're really pretty. And then some wax papers. I thought this would be fun. Of course, these are for baking, but you can also just wrap things in it. And they have the cutest wax paper. It's really parchment, though, is what I remember, even though it says wax paper. More like parchment. And Just checking because I know Miranda has some things in here that are very kiddish, so I'm not going to show them. Oh, and then I just grabbed one of these. Okay, so the Dollar Tree has these things that I had been using. I got them from like AliExpress a long time ago, like, I don't know, years ago. And they look kind of like this, and they hold pencils, right? And I actually just took them to the garage not too long ago as I've been cleaning up, because I'm like, they're good, but not really. So what happens with those is you hold your pencils, and that's great, but once you get down to the bottom one, so it looks like a tower like this, but it has like compartments that go like this, so you put your pencil in it, right? Your pens and your pencils, and it holds a lot of them, and I had like 5 of them sitting in front of me like this. The bottom one isn't as deep, so it's like here, so when you put pens, they want to fall out. It doesn't, I don't know how to explain it. The engineering on that last one is not great. You know, with these, they go all the way in, but for some reason, this one cuts off shorter or whatever. So it's just a kind of a waste of space at the bottom. I would try to put other things there, but then it's like, well, okay, you have all these pens sticking out. It's hard to get in there to get anything. So I just got rid of them. But I know Dollar Tree has them now, so if you're interested, they have like these pen holders. I don't know. That really bothered me that the whole last portion is like impossible to use. So this reminded me of that, but this holds a washi, you guys. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Look at that. I'm assuming this pops open, yes. So they don't have, oh, see, last time I showed you guys a washi holder, I still have washi over here from it. Not that one, let's see. Or tape or whatever, they always call it, well, sometimes they call it washi, which means tape, but, what's that stuff called? Like the old school brown tape, masking tape, that's what they call it. But okay, this is a Christmas one. Obviously, I don't want that on here right now. But if I wanted to, I can set that up. And then maybe on the next one, I have this cute little gnome one. I'm so silly. I'm like, how do I have it so that it's facing the right way? But anyway, it's fine. So there, and then let's say another one. And now you have them all and you can use them and it's really sturdy. I should have bought more of them. I was like, I'll try one just to see because really, you know, I keep my best ever, the best ever craft tape. It has 3 different sizes. So if I had the biggest one and then the middle one and then the tiny one, oh my goodness. Actually, the tiny one's right here right now. It is right here. I just keep it here and I hardly reach for it because I don't have it on a holder. You guys, I might have to switch out my donut for this. Anyway, just want to show you those. Pretty cool, huh? All right, I'll see you guys at the next one. I'll link whatever's available now. Have fun. I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, I'm on a shopping hiatus. Other people are like, oh, you went ahead and bought what I was going to get. Because if the price changes, you always get that price back. I do not know that they're going to have $5 cart again because it doesn't really make sense. So at the end of the day, if you spent $75 or more on products or whatever you're picking up, it doesn't have to be in every order. I thought it was every order. So when they started doing this like in November, I was like making sure every order I hit 75 and then I'm like, oh, it's at the end of the day. So you don't have to do it all at once, you know. But anyway, yeah, sorry guys if you can't leave comments. Again, that's not on me, that's on YouTube and what they deem a kid's video. I know I've seen a lot of people at the beginning of their videos, well not a lot, but some people, and this is when this first happened, like this is not for children or whatever, and they're like, that doesn't matter. They don't care. Even if you say it's not, on my videos I say they're not for kids, but if they think it is with their little bots, they will make it for kids and then they don't push notification it and they don't allow comments. So it's kind of annoying. So sorry guys. But anyway, see you at the next one. Bye now.